You, stop scrolling. These medieval villagers are about to burn me at the stake. It's because they don't believe it can be simple, easy, and affordable to buy quality glasses without leaving your home like you can with Eyewear.com.
Witch!
Everything!
Black magic! He can only buy quality glasses at a local shop like Ye Old Lane Frames.
Not anymore. Thanks to Lingo. Lingo makes updating your eyewear super easy. No need to go through the time-consuming process of an eye doctor visit if you're just looking to buy some glasses. The app can actually read the prescription off your current pair of glasses in only minutes. Download the Lingo Eyewear app to find out what your prescription is today.
Well, put me on the rack and call me a heretic. That witch was right.
Try 5 frames at home for free. They also have a 3D virtual try-on tool on their website and hundreds of styles at half the cost of what you would typically pay at the store. And quick shipping straight to your home. If you're looking for high quality, affordability, and ease, Lingo is your holy grail. Go to lingoeyewear.com to get out of the past and step into the future.
No, wire the $1 billion to my personal account.
Lingo brings the try-on experience home. You wouldn't buy an expensive piece of clothing without asking a friend's opinion, so why would you do that with eyewear?
Does this wimple make me look fat?
It does. And we'll let you know. The virtual try-on feature on lingoeyewear.com shows you exactly how you're gonna look in those cat eyes. And if you're still not sure, you can have 5 Lingo frames sent to you to try out for free.
I wish I got to try these on for 5 days.
Why am I suddenly craving a caramel macchiato?
In the past, when you wanted to buy new glasses, you need to set up an appointment with your eye doctor, spend an hour in the waiting room, have your eyes poked and prodded within an inch of their lives, only to be told by a salesperson in a lab coat that these new frames will put you at 300 big ones on top of the cost of your appointment. Please and thank you. Hey, get out of my face and my wallet, sir. If your glasses have a prescription you like, just use the Lingo Eyewear app to read your current prescription off your glasses. It's quick, free, and it'll change your life. You simply hold out your frames and the Lingo Eyewear app scans your lenses for free. Or if you already know your prescription, you can just type it in or send it via text or email. Easy peasy. Download the Lingo Eyewear app in the App Store to find out what your prescription is in a couple of minutes without ever leaving your home. Nice shades. Oh yeah, they have prescription sunglasses too. Sometimes people wish they could afford new glasses, but most eyewear costs $300 or more.
Dumb!
With Lingo, you'll pay as little as $79 and high-quality lenses are free. All of Lingo's glasses are less than half the price of what you typically pay at your local store.
Bullseye.
With prices that reasonable, you can have multiple frames to express your style in as many ways as your heart desires.
I got glasses from Lingo Eyewear, and his lordship thinks I look fetching.
Did I mention the lenses are free? If you ask me, that sounds like a steal. What are you here for?
Murder.
Oh, no. Their frames are also super high quality. They're made from handmade acetate or metal, and the free lenses are made from polycarbonate. Lingo even has lenses that deflect blue light, so the digital screen demons can't destroy your eyeballs. If you're putting way too much effort into getting glasses that cost too much, it's time for the old ways to close up shop. Download the Lingo Eyewear app to read your prescription and go to lingoeyewear.com and try your 5 frames today.